Energy-efficient windows Pasadena, Texas, are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows Pasadena TX, residents can significantly lower their utility bills and enhance their home's overall energy performance. Window insulation in Pasadena, Texas is essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Proper insulation helps prevent drafts and reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. Pasadena, Texas window insulation solutions include advanced materials and techniques that ensure maximum energy efficiency and comfort. Double-glazed windows, Pasadena offers superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. These windows consist of two glass panes separated by a spacer, which reduces heat transfer and enhances thermal performance. Homeowners in Pasadena can benefit from double-glazed windows by enjoying a more comfortable living space and reduced energy costs. Low-E glassed Pasadena TX is a popular choice for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects heat while allowing natural light to pass through. By installing low-E glass, Pasadena residents can enjoy a brighter home without compromising on energy savings. Window replacement Pasadena, Texas is a smart investment for homeowners looking to upgrade their property's energy efficiency. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-saving windows, Pasadena can lead to significant energy savings and improved comfort. Professional window replacement services in Pasadena ensure a seamless installation process and long-lasting results. Energy-efficient windows Pasadena are designed to reduce energy consumption and enhance indoor comfort. These windows feature advanced technologies such as low-E coatings and double glazing, which help minimize heat transfer. By installing energy-saving windows, Pasadena homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Thermal windows Pasadena TX are an excellent choice for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, reducing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. By choosing thermal windows, Pasadena residents can enjoy a more comfortable home and lower energy costs. Window installation. Pasadena, Texas is a critical step in ensuring the energy efficiency of your home. Professional installation services ensure that windows are properly sealed and aligned, preventing drafts and maximizing energy savings. Pasadena window installation experts provide high-quality services that guarantee long-lasting performance and comfort. Pasadena window upgrades are an effective way to enhance your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient glass Pasadena TX can significantly reduce energy consumption and improve indoor comfort. With a variety of styles and materials available, Pasadena homeowners can find the perfect window upgrades to suit their needs. Energy-efficient windows Pasadena TX is a key component of modern window solutions. This type of glass is designed to minimize heat transfer, reducing the need for heating and cooling. By choosing energy-efficient glass, Pasadena residents can enjoy a more comfortable home and lower energy bills. Window tinting. Pasadena, Texas is an effective way to enhance your home's energy efficiency and privacy. Tinted windows reduce glare and heat gain, making your home more comfortable and energy efficient.